This is like a proper street retro with the background, all that kind of thing. You look amazing.
Oh, fabulous, fabulous.
Look at that.
You're amazing.
So I'm gonna do a bit of a close up because you look of age.
This lady is a son of mine. How you doing, madam? No, she is lovely, and I love those glasses. Look at those glasses. Maybe she did a bit modelling. She's
amazing.
No, like that. Hold on.
Like that. Just keep it that way. John, get away from my frame.
Listen, I've got the image for you. Do you know what I mean?
Okay, was it?
Stop.
Amazing. Amazing, fabulous. That's really very organic. Yeah, I loved it. Yeah.
This one's famous, you know? You've got Adam Sandler here.
Yeah.
This is the best place to live in the world.
Yeah.
So everyone knows me. I'm for smelling.
Yeah, I think I am. They say they call me cameraman.
That's what I think. Didn't I just say that to you?
You did.
Nobody calls me John.
I
It's my
literally
real
was
name.
like, Mr. Cameraman.
And I'm walking down the street, cameraman. I think, who is it?
I get Lisu. Where are you, Lisu? And I'm like, yeah, that's me.